Good morning. I wanted to show you my newest moto for all my moto fans. This is a 1977 Honda CT90. This is a Trail 90. It is in excellent condition, as you can see, and it is all original. There is not one thing on this motorcycle that did not come from Japan when it was made in 1977. Well, other than my cup holder. But there it is, Trail 90. It has the auxiliary gas tank on the back. Has 3,253 miles on it, and everything works just like it's supposed to work. We will see if we can start it, the old thing, see if the old thing will start for us. Want to? Let's try that. Well, there you have it. Cold start, first kick. What are you going to do about that? How cool is that? 1977 Honda CT90 Trail. Very pleased with my purchase. Looking forward to many, many hours of fun in the sun with this super good little moto. So there you go, moto friends. Hope you have a wonderful day enjoying the wonderful land that we live in. God bless you guys. Don't ever forget, God loves you just because you are you, and that is the truth. And I'm Mike Green, here to tell you the truth.